guys, it's me Sherena P and welcome to my channel. Another day, another vlog. And actually this is my first time to film or to do a vlog for this year, 2020. So, the last vlog that I posted was last Feb 13, pero shoot ko pa yun last 2019, so last year pa yun. So, this is my first vlog that I will be filming for this year. So, yes. So, let's get started. Okay, so this is my hair. This is my rebonded hair. So, nagpa-rebond ako last June pa. So, as you can see, medyo, kumbaga luma na siya. So, andito na yung napa-rebond na hair. This is the natural hair. So, ito is air dry hair siya. Okay, yan. So, naligo kanina, mas 4 hours ago. Okay, so, wait lang, plug ko lang. Actually, I bought this one on Shopee last February. And then, I just bought this for only, yung iba binibenta for 1,000, 1,500. Kasi, I also inquired sa mga Facebook page and all that. Tapos, I decided na sa Shopee na lang kasi maraming mura doon. So, I got this for only 345 pesos. And let's see kung ano yung magiging effect niya dito sa hair na to. Kung personally o talagang makikita is that, ayan o, may body na siya. Kumbaga may curve na, may shape na. So, hindi na talaga magandang ganyan ka lang lalabas, diba? So, let's see kung effective ba tong 345 pesos na hair dryer at the same time, hair iron. So, kalimutan ko ang tawag dito. Plus, parang blow dry iron, chena. So, it's a 2-in-1 use na siya. Okay? So, let's see. So, okay, muntik mo ulit. Oh, diba? May effect. Effective ang ating 345 pesos. Na. Diba? There you go. So, that's it for this 345 pesos 2-in-1 blow dry iron thing. Okay, so I hope na you can also find this kind of pero I think meron Revlon ganito. Kaya lang so pricey, di ko pa kaya. Parang worth 5,000 siya. So, yes, I hope you'll have the chance to try this too. So yeah, that's it for my vlog for today. Thank you for watching and love you all. Bye guys!